Hello friends, in this video we intend to withdraw funds from the account using ERC20 Tether. When you enter the trading cabinet at the FxPro Broker, you can see the available amount for withdrawal in this section. Here, you enter the amount you wish to withdraw. After completing the withdrawal details, we click on the withdraw option. And after completing the withdrawal information, you click on the withdraw option. As you can see, your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted, and in the transaction history, your withdrawal status is currently pending. Considering that the withdrawal request was made on a Sunday and during the weekend, after one business day, the amount was transferred to our electronic wallet. And as you can see in the transaction history section, the status of the withdrawal is changed from pending to approved. In future videos, we will discuss how to deposit and withdraw using various methods at the FxPro Broker. We will do this together. Wishing you success and profitability.